On a hot sunny day, a cap seller was going to town to sell the caps. He decided to take rest under a big tree for a while and kept the basket of caps on the ground. He fell asleep. There were many monkeys on that tree. They saw the sleeping cap seller and the basket of caps. They came down and took the caps. They climbed. They climbed up the tree and wore the caps. When the cap seller woke up, he was shocked. When cap seller woke up, he was shocked to see his basket was empty. Then he saw the monkeys were wearing the caps. He got angry. He got angry and threw a stone on the monkeys. The monkeys irritated him and threw fruits on the cap seller to see their reaction. He thought,